So let's try to use these. Let's say to maybe take, I don't know, something like the square root of 1/4. Okay? So I want to take the root of 1/4. That means I want some number so that a times a is equal to 1/4. I don't really have any good rules for manipulating radicals yet because we're working just from the definitions. But I do know that if I take the root of a number squared, then I get the absolute value of that number. So maybe I can rewrite 1/4 as a square. So I know that 4 is 2 squared and 1 is 1 squared. So 1/4 is going to be 1/2 squared. And then I just get the absolute value of 1/2, which is 1/2. Similarly, if I wanted something like, I don't know, the root of 25 over 9, well, I know that 25 is 5 squared. I know that 9 is 3 squared. So this is 5/3 squared. And even though there are two square roots, there's one principal square root, which is what I'm being asked by this radical symbol. I have to take the absolute value of 5/3, which is just 5/3. If, however, I was asked something like the root of negative 25 over 9, that I would not be able to do because there's not going to be the square of any number that gives me negative as an output. So that's not doable. However, if I wanted the square root of negative 25 over negative 9, that would be fine because negative 25 over negative 9 is the same as 25 over 9. So we'd be back in that situation again.